Alright, so my gecko came in, and gonna do an unboxing video for it, guys. I just ordered him from Reptiles and Critters. I always have styrofoam insulation, which is always nice to keep him warm in there. I got a nice little heat pack, still warm too. And there he is. Oh, that looks awesome. Not very much red, just on his head and a little on his back, but oh, he is awesome looking. Or a she. Could totally have a female in here. Oh, there's two heat packs. Just one. And some newspaper. We got here perfectly on time. 10 something in the morning, 10:30 in the morning. So I'm gonna put him or her in there and let her come out on her own or his own. I'll give her some food later. That's really awesome though. Had a long ride in that little plastic cup. Here, I'll take her out. Hopefully I don't get bit here. She's freaking out. Yeah, they're quick. She almost made a damn run away for it halfway on the couch before I was able to get her in there. Oh wow, it looks so cool though. Really awesome with their red colors and the spots. I just gotta think of a name. Hell yeah. Pretty cool video. And definitely a cool gecko. I'm gonna have to maybe do another video later of a feeding or something. I got some crickets and mealworms already, and some gecko food on the way. Well, thanks for watching, and that's my new gecko.